So I'll start. How are you all?
Good.
Great, great. Okay. So before I start with the talk, I want to ask you all one question. So how many of you all had a fall or ever
Mm.
experienced one or tripped anything? Or your friends who are senior citizens that they had a fall.
Yeah, बारिश की फिसलन से फिसले हैं.
Okay.
My sister-in-law fell down and was bedridden for 4 to 5 years before she expired.
Oh,
But
oh,
she
I'm so
was
sorry,
at
ma'am.
that time she was 85, 86.
Okay. So why I asked you all this question was because unfortunately aging and risk of fall they go hand in hand. So did you know like 35% of senior citizens have the risk of falls after the age of 60 and it increases to 75% after the age of 80. So we'd like to know now what are the causes of falls? How does that happen? Okay. So there are two basic categories the falls are broadly divided into. One are the intrinsic factors, other are the extrinsic factors. So extrinsic factors का मतलब है कि जो फैक्टर्स आपके बॉडी के बाहर हैं, जो चीजें आपके बॉडी के बाहर है जो आपके फॉल या ट्रिप होने में कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं, उसके वजह से ऐसा होता है. दैट आर कॉल्ड एक्सट्रिंसिक फैक्टर्स. सो वो कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं? पहला ये है लैक ऑफ एडिक्वेट लाइटिंग, स्पेशली रात को जब आपको रूम से वॉशरूम तक जाना है. तो हमेशा ध्यान रखिए कि आपका जो पाथवे है वहां पे एडिक्वेट लाइटिंग हो, डिम लाइट्स हो रात को जो आप चालू कर सके. सो उसके वजह से आपका बैलेंस नहीं जाएगा, आपको वो अच्छे से वो रास्ता दिखेगा, वो पाथवे दिखेगा. दैट इज फर्स्ट. सेकेंड इज पुअरली क्लीन वॉशरूम्स, वेट फ्लोर्स. So always have anti-skid mats in the washrooms. And also try to maintain your washroom dry after the use. Okay, that is the second. Third is heavy medications. When someone is on heavy medications due to something, कोई तकलीफ है या कुछ है, तो वो heavy medications भी आपको drowsy करती हैं, right? तो हमेशा ध्यान रखिए कि वो हो सके तो heavy medications रात को लें. सो दैट उसके बाद आपको सोना है तो फिर आपकी एक्टिविटीज नहीं हो रही है तो आपका बैलेंस जाने की तक वो भी कम हो जाएगी. सो दैट इज वन मोर थिंग जिसका ध्यान रखना है. और जब भी आप हेवी मेडिकेशन लेते हैं थोड़े आपके मूवमेंट्स का ध्यान रखिए. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, अबाउट योर मूवमेंट्स. दैट इज वन मोर थिंग. फोर्थ इज अ लिटिल ट्रिकी वन, असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस. लैक ऑफ यूज ऑफ असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि सबको यूज करने चाहिए असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस, बट माय पॉइंट इज कि ऐसे सब सोचते होंगे कि असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस यूज करेंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, डिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे. बट जब आपको वो प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया है by any doctor or someone that you have to use it, so please use it. Okay, because it's not a bad thing. In fact, that will help you not to have a fall. So make sure to use it if it's prescribed to you. Okay. And fifth one is cluttering. Lot of clutter at your home or spaces around your rooms. So try and always declutter it. अगर वो रास्ते में कुछ टॉयज है या कुछ चीजें हैं, so you may trip and fall. So try and declutter it. जितना स्पेसेस क्लीन रखेंगे, नीट रखेंगे, उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. So those are the extrinsic factors. Okay. So what about now intrinsic factors? Intrinsic factors का मतलब क्या? The things which are inside your body, जो आपके बॉडी के अंदर है, जिसके वजह से आपका बैलेंस जा सकता है और दैट कैन मेक यू ट्रिप एंड फॉल. सो पहली चीज है एनीवन हु इज गोइंग थ्रू अ क्रॉनिक, suffering from a chronic disease like Parkinson's, stroke, vertigo, dizziness. So that can cause them to have a fall. So उसके लिए क्या करना है? Have proper medications, have a good diet, good sleep, and good amount of water intake. And most importantly, go for physiotherapy if that in that condition it is prescribed for you. That is one. Second is lack of muscle strength. When your strength of the muscle is less, कम है. सो वो जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ जिनको क्रॉनिक डिजीजेज या जिनको कोई प्रॉब्लम है उनको हो सकता है. इवन हेल्दी ओल्डर अडल्ट में धीरे धीरे स्ट्रेंथ कम होती है. सो यू हैव टू ट्राई एंड बिल्ड अप योर स्ट्रेंथ, बिल्ड अप योर मसल. So regular exercising, going for physiotherapy, that will help you. And third is slowness of movement that causes poor coordination. So I think that I discussed in my last talk as well. Ki with aging, your movements become slow. So your coordination is also poor. Coordination meaning your brain and body connection that gets disrupted. So for that, you need to start training. You have to increase your reaction time. Your brain and body connection should be better. I guess, ma'am, you all were there in the last session, if I'm not wrong. So you must be knowing the exercises. Keep on doing the exercises. I've sent the video to sir. So keep on doing those exercises. That will help you improve your coordination. That is one more thing. Okay. So these are the factors which causes falls. But the good thing is, fortunately, these falls can be preventable. They are preventable with good physiotherapy and regular exercise. You can prevent this. So always undergo a fall risk assessment by your physiotherapist. We have helped a lot of senior citizens. All our patients undergo fall risk assessment and we help them decrease their risk of falls through our No More Falls fall prevention module. Okay. So today we'll do a small test. Can everyone switch on their videos, please? I request everyone to switch on their videos so that I can see everyone. Hello, ma'am. I'll wait for a minute. Please switch on your videos. That would be easier for me to connect with you guys better. Okay. So we are going to do a small test to assess your fall risk of fall. Okay. So what everyone has to do, everyone is sitting on a chair, I hope. Perfect. Okay.
Yes.
So, yes. So, yeah. So what do you have to do? You all have to sit on a chair, feet on the ground. I'll show you how it has to be done. Wait. So I hope everyone can see her. She's Dr. Shreya. She'll be a part of our session. Okay. So see, she's sitting on a chair with her feet supported on the ground and hands crossed on the chest. So everyone, please do this. Crossed. And everyone, please be careful. Have something to hold on the side and try not losing your balance. If you're not confident, do not do it. It's okay. No hurry. Now you have to, yes, everyone be ready. First, take your positions. Yeah. Okay. So now everyone ready? Perfect. Now first we'll practice and then we'll start the test. So now everyone, you have to get up without support. Try. If you cannot, you can take support. Yes. Try to get up without support and now sit down without support. Very good. Okay. So let's do this two more times. Everyone try. First practice it. If you're confident, then we'll go for the test. Go. Everyone. One. Very good. Down. One more time. Come on. Very good. Very good, everyone. Down. Very good. Now we'll start the test. 30 seconds. Okay. So you have to. Yeah. So I'll tell you when to start. In 30 seconds, we'll see how much everyone can do. Okay. And then I'll tell you what is the test about. So one, two, three, everyone start. Go. You have to sit, stand, sit. Keep going. Stand, sit. Yes. Keep going. The timer has start. How much ever fast you can, do it. Come on. Very good, everyone. Good job. Very good. Amazing. Done. Stop. Stop, everyone. Very good. Stop. Did everyone count? Sorry.
Yes.
How much, ma'am?
10.
Very good.
15.
Very good.
Up, down, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 22.
22. Okay, that means 11. Up, down, you counted, right? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
11. Okay, okay. 11. Perfect. Okay. So good. It's a good number. It's actually a good number. Very good. So minimum is, according to your age, 15. Should be able to do 15. Okay? But I noticed in everyone a little jerky movements. Even you must have noticed a little jerky movements, a little difficulty to get up, go down, tiredness in the muscles getting a little stiffer, right? So this tells you that there's a little risk of falls, and we need to train your muscles accordingly. Understood, everyone? Great. Okay. So before we start our exercises, our fun exercises session, I would like to tell you something about our clinic. Praj, the clinic's name is Praj the Rehab Sphere. Okay. It's located in Matunga, Dadar East. So we are a physiotherapy clinic. So it's owned by Dr. Pratha Mehta and Dr. Rajeshri Lad. So here we also practice physiotherapy. We also practice senior fitness. We are doing many programs. We do every Sunday I am fit program. Also, which I spoke to you about, no more falls, fall prevention program. And we have a goal to reach out to more than 10,000 senior citizens and help them in their daily living. So this is what
Very
we do.
good.
Our center is, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So we take a lot of talks online, offline, for all the senior fitness. So if any doubts regarding the clinic or anything, you can ask Saleh also, or you can text us, anything. Okay, so now give me a minute, then we'll start with the exercises. So just giving you instructions about the exercises. These we have planned these exercises in two ways. We can do it in standing also and sitting also. Okay. So people who are not very confident, or they have balance issues, or they need help and they don't have help right now at home, please do not do the exercises in standing. You can do the exercises in sitting as well. Okay. That is one thing. And people who can stand, you can do it in standing, but please have a chair beside you to hold, or a wall. Any support is always required. So please take a support. Okay, everyone? Understood? So I'm giving you a minute to adjust yourself. If you can do it in standing, please stand. Keep a chair beside you. And please adjust your camera in such a way so that I can see you doing the exercises. So I can correct you and I can tell you what has to be done.
Better, what is better, to wear footwear or no? चप्पल पहन के तो without चप्पल we should do it.
अभी एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त मैम
Yes, बेटे.
एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त मैम प्लीज डू नॉट वेयर स्लीपर्स. We need that
अच्छा.
joint awareness जो without slippers आएंगे. So do not wear your slippers until and unless you have some foot issues or your foot pains
No,
or you have
no.
some cons. If you don't have it, you don't have to wear footwears. You
Okay.
can do it without. Okay. I'm giving you all a minute. Give me a minute. We'll start. Ready, everyone? We'll start. Okay. So first exercise. You have to march very slowly. Slow marching. Come on, everyone. Those who are sitting, they can march in sitting. And those who are standing will march in standing. Very slow. Slowly. Keep going. Yes. Good job. If any doubts, please stop me and let me know. Okay. And if you are tired, you can stop for a minute or 30 seconds and again resume. Keep going. Slowly. Very good. Everyone's doing very well. Good job. More 10 seconds, then we'll change. Slowly. Just a warm up. Okay. Good. Now, next exercise. Those who are standing will keep their hands on the waist and slowly raise your heels. And those who are sitting will raise their heels. Yes. If you cannot do it without support, please take support of the wall or a chair and then do this. Keep going. Okay? You can start with support and slowly, slowly, when you're confident, you can do it without support as well. Good job. Vanita ma'am, good. Very good. Sirat ma'am, good job. Good. Very good. Lawrence sir, Sarla ma'am, good. Good job. Keep going. Last 5 seconds. Okay. Now we'll change. Now we'll do toes up. Slowly. You will need support in this. So please, everyone, take a wall support if you're standing or take a chair support. And very slowly toes up. While doing this, make sure your body is not going back. Has to be straight, slightly tuck your tummy, and then do it. Good. Keep going, everyone. If any doubt, you can stop me anytime. Good. Last 10 seconds. Good. Now again, we'll go for march. Slow marches. Warm up. Just you take 30 seconds. If you want, you don't have to also march, just take 30 seconds. Keep your back straight. Maintain your posture while doing the exercises. Very good. Good job, everyone. Okay. All settled? We start with the next set. So now, again, for standing, you will take one leg forward, back. Take your heel first, then toes, then come back. Heel first, toes, then come back. Heel, toes, back. Heel, toes, back. If you need support, please take support of the chair or the wall and then do this. Slightly tuck your tummy, back straight. Keep your posture maintained. Very good. Sonia ma'am, good job. Sarla ma'am, Razia ma'am, very good. Keep going. Everyone is doing quite good. Very good. Good. Okay, let's change the leg. Other leg, everyone. Switch. Do not forget, you have to maintain your posture. Step forward. Okay. Let's go a little fast. Come on. Good. Last 5 seconds. Okay. Now, next exercise. Same way, we are going to do side steps. Come on. Side steps. Good. Please take support of the chair or the wall if you cannot do it without support. Go. Very good. Maintain your posture. Maintain your posture, everyone. Good. Everyone okay? Good job. Good. Slightly tuck your tummy. Come on. Let's do a little faster. Fast. Good. Nice. Okay. Let's switch. Other leg. Switch. Good. Keep going. Everyone maintain your posture. Good. Keep going. Come on, fast. Go faster. Good job. Good. Last 5 seconds. Good. Okay. Relax, everyone. Take a 30-second break. Relax. A break. Come on. Let's start. Now we are going to march, but with our hands. Come on, everyone. March. Little higher. Come on. Go. Come on. Faster. Faster. Very good. Show some energy. Faster. Good job. Faster. Faster. Come on. Come on. Nurin ma'am, very good. Good job. Good. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. Good. Okay. Relax. Okay. Now this is a slight variation. Sitting people, they will extend their knee. Yes. Slowly down. Tuck your tummy, back straight. Go. This is what people who are sitting will do. Okay? So first take the right leg, everyone. Now what standing people have to do? You can hold a wall or a chair and slowly take your leg out. Very slowly, just an inch. Straight leg out, right leg first. Come on. Yes. My God. Come on. Very good. Slowly, this has to be slow. Keep going slowly. Come on. Very good. 5 more counts. Very good. Now we'll switch. Come on. Other leg. Left. Keep going, everyone. Good job. And try and not tilt on the other side. Keep your tummy tucked in and straight. Good job. Very good. Good. Come on, last rounds. Good job. Very good. Now, one last tricky exercise, but it's fun. You have to take your right hand up and right knee up. Come on. Then left hand up, left knee up. Good. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. This is the last exercise. Keep doing this. 3. This is the last exercise for the session. Come on. 3, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Last. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everyone. Take a break, everyone. Just sit, calm yourself down, have some water, take a break. Done. Okay, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed the session. I hope to see you all again next time, and we'll send you the videos of all the exercises we have done. Bye,
Thank
Dr.
you
everyone.
very much.
Good to
Subhagi
see.
and your
Thank you.
colleague, we
Thank you
really
very
like
much.
to thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you very
Thank you
much
so
for
much,
this,
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Doctor. And we'd love to have you again soon.
Definitely,
You do
sir.
so much for our
Definitely.
seniors. At least our seniors can give you their blessings. Seniors'
Thank you,
Yes.
blessings,
sir.
at least for them.
Yes. God bless
Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's it.
We just wish them
Thank
to be
you.
in good health. Thank you so much. Bye, sir.
Thank you, guys. And we will be writing the names and the contact numbers of the physiotherapists as well as the organization in the video.
Yes.
You can have a look at it in
Yes.
case you want to contact them. Thank you very
Okay.
much, everybody, and we'll see you
Okay.
again tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Yes. Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.